The EANOPEC 8th wireless auto presenting door handles for Tesla Model 3 and why Highland offer a seamless and stylish upgrade for Tesla owners. These innovative door handles are equipped with built-in Bluetooth and controlled through a central main control box, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. With OTA online software upgrade support, users can keep their system up to date effortlessly. The plug-and-play installation process allows for quick and hassle-free integration without the need for additional wiring. One of the standout features of these auto handles is their multicolor display, allowing Tesla owners to personalize their vehicle's appearance. Users can select from a variety of colors, including green, red, purple, and more, or opt for a stunning rainbow color effect to suit their preferences. This feature enhances the car's aesthetics while maintaining a sleek and modern design. Designed to complement the Tesla Model 3 and Y, the wireless auto handles come in a matte black finish that seamlessly blends with the vehicle's original look. This ensures a sophisticated and cohesive appearance while adding advanced functionality. Additionally, the Bluetooth connectivity eliminates the need for complex wiring, making installation as simple as replacing the original door handles. With these cutting-edge auto handles, Tesla owners can enjoy a futuristic and convenient upgrade to their vehicles.